All right, let's get into it. Today, we're not just going to sit through another technical lesson. No, we are embarking on an adventure. We're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most powerful tools out there, the Linux terminal. So get ready. Your quest is officially starting now. And I want you to forget everything you think you know about boring tutorials. Think of this as your origin story. You're about to step into a brand new world where you can command your computer directly just using your words. It's a real journey, and like any great journey, it all begins with that first step. So, what's your first mission? Well, it's to get to know the gateway to this new world, the terminal. This is going to be your command center, your cockpit. It's the place where you'll call the shots and really start to shape your digital world. Now, most of us are used to pointing and clicking, right? That's called a graphical user interface, or a GUI. It's friendly, it's visual, we all get it. But the terminal, well, that's a whole different beast. It's all text. You trade in your mouse for your keyboard, and in return, you get an incredible amount of speed and direct control. When it comes right down to it, the terminal isn't some scary, complicated monster. Just think of it as a tool. It's a direct line of communication to the very core of your computer. So instead of, asking nicely with a click, you're giving a direct, crystal clear command. Every good adventurer needs a map. I mean, before we can even think about navigating this new world, we've got to understand the lay of the land. And in our world, that map is called the Linux file system. And here it is. This is the single most important rule of this new world. I want you to burn this into your brain. In Linux, everything is a file. Your documents, they're files. Folders, which, by the way, we call directories here, they're also files. Even the physical hardware plugged into your computer is represented as a file. Once you really get that, the whole system just clicks into place. This entire world is built like a tree. At the very, very top, you've got this single /, which we call root. Think of it as the top of the entire world. Then inside that world, there's a neighborhood called /home. And inside home, you've got your own personal base camp, something like /home/Fred. Every single thing has a specific address. And here's a super important tip. Unlike some other places, capitalization matters a lot. Desktop with a capital D is a totally different place than desktop with a lowercase d. You know how every good map has shortcuts? Well, in the terminal, the tilde key, that little squiggly line, is basically your personal teleporter. It doesn't matter where you are in this digital world, typing that tilde is an instant shortcut back to your home base, your /home/Fred directory. You're going to use it all the time. Okay, so we've got our map. We kind of know our way around. Now, it's time to travel. We're not actually going to be exploring our own computer today. Instead, we're going to open a portal to a completely different world, a game called Bandit, and we're going to do it using a special command called SSH. So what is this magic portal? Well, SSH stands for Secure Shell, and it's a command that lets you log in and control another computer somewhere else over the internet, and do it all securely. It's how we're going to travel from our terminal right over to the server where the Bandit game lives. Now, the command might look a little complicated, but it's really just a simple spell with 3 parts. First, you say the magic word, SSH. That's the incantation. Then you name your destination, your username at the host computer's address. And finally, if the portal isn't at the standard gate, you use -P to point to the exact port number you need. Simple as that. Okay, listen up, because this is a classic trap that gets almost every new adventurer. When you use SSH and it asks for your password, you're going to start typing, and you're going to see nothing. No stars, no dots, not a thing. This is a security feature, not a bug. Just trust the process. Type your password, hit enter, and you'll be fine. All right, you have the map. You know the spell to open the portal. The time has come. Let's actually start this quest and log into the very first level of the Bandit game. This next command, this is the key. This is the incantation that's going to swing open the door to your very first challenge and officially kick off your adventure. You ready? And here it is. SSH Bandit 0 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org-P 202020. Let's break that down real quick. We're using SSH to log in as the user Bandit 0. The location is bandit.labs.overthewire.org, and we're using that special gate, port 202020. So go ahead, type that into your own terminal. And just like that, welcome to Bandit. Now that you're in, Every good adventurer needs a toolkit, right? A few essential items for survival. So let's quickly cover a few spells that are going to make your journey way, way easier. First up, say hello to your new best friend, the Tab key. Seriously, you start typing a command or a file name, you hit Tab, and boom, the terminal finishes it for you. It's a massive time saver, and it gets rid of typos, which can be a total quest killer. You're going to want to use this constantly. Next up is the up arrow key. Did you make a mistake, or maybe you just need to run the exact same command again? Just press the up arrow. You can scroll back through every command you've typed. It's like having a magical scroll of everything you've just done. Now this might just be the most powerful tool of all. It's the man command, which is short for manual. If you are ever unsure how a command works, just type man and then the name of the command, like man SSH. It is literally like having the entire world's library right at your fingertips. And finally, a couple of quick spells to round things out. When you're done, just type exit to close the portal and come back to your own computer. And if your screen ever gets totally cluttered with text, just hit Ctrl+L, and it'll instantly clear everything, giving you a nice, clean workspace. So there you have it. You now understand the map of this new world. That's the file system. You hold the key to travel between worlds with SSH, and you've got your first set of essential tools to help you survive and explore. Believe me, this is a huge first step.
Your quest has well and truly begun. The portal is open, and a whole world of challenges and discovery is just waiting for you. The only question left is, what are you going to find inside? Happy hacking!